Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a close look at a vital component for those operating the XAG P30 agriculture drone, specifically the 2019 and 2020 models. This is the A16 motor cable part, identified by numbers like 02-005-0103 or 00102. The particular item we're examining is the short cable variant, a critical piece for ensuring your drone's motors function correctly. In the demanding world of precision agriculture, the reliability of every single part on your drone is paramount. When a component like a motor cable gets damaged, having a high-quality, readily available replacement is essential to minimize downtime. This cable is presented as an original and brand new accessory, designed specifically to replace a damaged original part. Using original or certified brand new parts is crucial for maintaining the integrity and performance of sophisticated equipment like agriculture drones. It ensures compatibility with the drone's complex electronic systems and helps avoid potential issues that can arise from using substandard or incompatible components, which could affect motor performance, power delivery, or even flight stability. One of the key benefits highlighted is the ease of installation. For drone operators, time is often of the essence, especially during peak seasons. A part that is easy to install means quicker repairs, getting the drone back in the air faster, and reducing the need for extensive technical support or specialized tools in the field. This ease of replacement contributes significantly to operational efficiency. Furthermore, the description emphasizes fine craftsmanship and high quality, stating it's intended for professional use. This speaks to the build standards of the cable. In an agricultural environment, drone components are exposed to various stresses: vibration during flight, potential exposure to dust, moisture, and even agricultural chemicals. High-quality craftsmanship ensures that the cable's connectors are precise, the wiring is properly insulated, and the overall construction is robust enough to withstand these conditions. Reliable signal transmission and power delivery through the cable are fundamental to the motor's performance, which directly impacts the drone's flight characteristics and spraying accuracy. Durability, wear resistance, and a long lifetime are also listed as key attributes. A motor cable on a drone is subject to constant movement and environmental factors. A durable and wear-resistant cable is less likely to fail prematurely due to abrasion, bending fatigue, or environmental degradation from UV exposure or temperature fluctuations. A long lifetime means fewer replacements are needed over the operational life of the drone, contributing to lower maintenance costs and greater overall value. For professional operators relying on their XAG P30 day in and day out, investing in a durable, long-lasting replacement part like this short A16 motor cable is a smart decision that helps ensure consistent performance and reliability. It's specifically designed for the XAG P30 2019 and 2020 models, ensuring a perfect fit and proper function, which is vital for the safe and effective operation of this advanced agricultural tool. Having access to such specific, high-quality replacement parts is indispensable for maintaining the operational readiness of your drone fleet.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.